Welcome to the Biotech Studio. Imagine this. Wave, it's a hot summer day. A family goes swimming in a calm lake, children are laughing, splashing water. For most, it's just a memory of joy. But hidden beneath the warm surface lies one of the deadliest organisms on Earth, so small it's invisible, yet powerful enough to destroy a human brain in days. This is the story of the brain-eating amoeba, scientifically known as Naegleria fowleri. Discovered in the 1960s, this tiny single-celled organism thrives in warm freshwater, lakes, rivers, hot springs, even under chlorinated pools. By itself, it isn't dangerous. People drink this water all the time without falling ill, but there's a twist. The amoeba only becomes deadly when water carrying it is forced up the nose. Once inside, the journey begins. The amoeba latches onto the olfactory nerves, the very nerves that let us smell. And like following a secret highway, it travels straight into the brain. There, it begins its terrifying work, releasing enzymes that literally dissolve brain cells, using them as food. The infection it causes is called primary amoebic meningoencephalitis, or PAM. The first symptoms feel like a regular flu, headache, fever, nausea. But within days, confusion, seizures, hallucinations, and coma follow. By the end of a week, most patients are gone. The fatality rate, over 97%. For decades, PAM was a medical mystery. Doctors had almost no time to diagnose, and treatments failed. Families would lose loved ones before even knowing what was happening. The amoeba seemed unbeatable. In recent years, scientists uncovered how Naegleria fowleri survives. It uses special proteins and enzymes to chew through tissue. That discovery gave doctors a target. Now, drugs like amphotericin B and miltefosine, once used for other parasites, are being tested with success. In fact, a handful of patients have survived thanks to these new combinations and rapid cooling therapies that reduce brain swelling. Even more exciting, researchers are mapping the amoeba's entire genome. By identifying weak spots in its biology, they hope to develop precise drugs, turning what was once an untreatable death sentence into a manageable infection. Still, prevention is our strongest defense. The amoeba cannot infect through drinking, it only enters through the nose. That means avoiding diving or swimming in warm freshwater during peak heat, wearing nose clips, and always using sterilized or boiled water for nasal rinses. The story of the brain-eating amoeba is not just about fear, it's about the race between a deadly microbe and human innovation. Once, it was an invisible killer. Today, it's a scientific puzzle being solved piece by piece. So, the question is, can science truly outsmart one of nature's deadliest parasites? The answer may decide whether we ever have to fear the brain-eating amoeba again. What do you think? Will the next breakthrough finally tip the balance in our favor? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Biotech Studio, where we turn science's biggest mysteries into stories you'll never forget.